back to my channel. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this look. And it's been a while that I haven't been filming a eye makeup tutorial, and since Valentine's Day is on the air, so I kind of inspired to do and create this look that I might be wearing on Valentine's Day. So if you want to know how I made this look, please keep on watching. So in today's eye makeup tutorial, we'll be using again this Huda Beauty Collection Nude palette, the medium one. I'll be going to start off with this color right here, the one on top. And I already primed my eye with a concealer, and I also set it with a translucent powder using a Cover FX. So we'll be using this color right here. I'm filming this video, guys, in a hotel. We are here in Vegas still. So I am going to put that on my crease as my translucent my transition color. So we're just gonna blend it back and forth with a wiping motion. Oh, sorry. By the way, I used the tape today, so I'm not using the eyeshadow. I keep forgetting to do this. I'm not using the eyeshadow shield. So on my previous video, I think I mentioned to you this tape if you don't have the shadow shield. So first, before sticking it in your skin right here, you kind of press it like that so it's not really sticky on your skin. So I'm just gonna use this as a guide. So like that. Okay. So let's moving in. So I'm kind of bringing it a little higher, like below to my brow bone. So I'm not worried about applying it all the way out here because I have the tape, so that can be my guide. So by the way, guys, I am using my Sigma 835, my favorite brush for blending. And right now I'll be using the Sigma brush E25. So I am gonna be using this color right here. Top of the excess, always do that. So I'm just going to put that on my crease. This color, you guys, it's so pretty. I think I made a video on this palette when it's first launched. So I'm using this kind of I think I mentioned this to you before, this kind of brush. It has a flat shape on side by side and kind of rounded on the tip, so it's very precise. So you can use which side you want, but right now I'm gonna be using the top of the brush, and I'm just going to just put it right here on my crease. So just do it like a wiping motion back and forth. So I want to have a nice transition color, so I'm taking my time blending it in. And I'm gonna slightly bring it down to my outer corner of my eye. I almost don't have a color there. Okay, that's done. And with this brush, E54 from Sigma, I'll be using this color right here, and I am going to use that on the outer corner, top of the axis. And I'm going to bring that slightly on the outer third on top of my crease. And then with this brush from Morphe M507, I'm gonna be using this brush to blend it more, like a circular motion. I am going to re-intensify the color. So I'm gonna dip it in a little bit more. Then I'm going to bring it to my crease, just doing a or a wiping motion. This brush, guys, also from Morphe 507, is such a nice brush. So it has rounded and like a little tip on the I mean, it's like right here, it's a little stiff on here, but it's soft at the same time, and it's very precise. And then back to this brush E35, I'm just going to blend everything out, to blend all the harshness. Okay, So right now we're gonna be using our finger. I'll be using first this color in the middle. It's like rose gold combination, and I'm going to just look at the color, guys. It's so pretty. So I'm just gonna put that here on the blank lid. And then after that, I'm going to blend the color of this one as well. So first I applied the one in the middle, and this one, it's like a rosy, pink rosy color. I'm still gonna be using my finger on that. Okay, so back to my brush. Where'd it go? This brush E54. I'm just going to blend the edges here on the outer third. And then blend also the crease like on the top, so there's no harshness. Alright, let's take out the tape. And I know there's some marks in there. I'm going to fix that with my Clinique again, the pressed powder. It's called Almost Powder Makeup, and I'm using, by the way, number 2. It's neutral fair. Alright guys, so with my brush E30, it's the pencil brush, I'll be picking this this highlighter from Becca again. I'm just gonna use that on my inner corner here, because this kind of palette, this is like warm neutral color. They don't have some kind of highlighter. Pick up the color of that and just put it here. And a little down on my brow bone. Okay, and with this little brush from Morphe M148, it's so cute, so tiny. So I'll be using this color again that we use. I'm gonna first pick up this color, and I'm just gonna put that on my lower lashes. And then back to my brush E35. I'm going to pick this color just to even the color right there, so it looks even in my lower lashes. I just want a little darker on my waterline, so I'll be using this eyeliner from Sephora, and I am using, what color did I use? It's deep brown, so I'm using this eye pencil from Sephora, color deep brown. Just put it like that here on my water eyeline. Alright mga loves, I'll be using a mascara and my false lashes off the camera, and I'll be right back. Thank you. Alright mga loves, here's the final look. So I hope you learned from this video today. So I intentionally use a red lipstick, so it's a good vibes for Valentine's Day. And I believe the outcome is nice. And you can pretty much wear this during night out or anything that you want to go you know, clubbing with your friends. But you can always have an option or change the lip color if you like it. So please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and tap the bell button below, so each time when I uploaded a video you will be notified. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful day. Mwah. Bye.